Hi Leos, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing and a Happy New Year to all Virgos. So that tells me to give you a reading for the whole year this time. So let us see what 2023 has in store for my Leo friends. Alright, and you please share this video with your Leo friends, and there are other videos for other zodiac signs as well. You could please forward it. And I am removing 12 cards for 12 months so that I can help you with the major events of these months, and you can understand what is the crux of the story in 2023. So what can you expect? I always say that tarot is a GPS system, or it will just tell you, so this is lying ahead, and then you can reroute. uh and rerouting is always with your thoughts. Okay, I will be giving you tips and other enhancements, but right. Okay, so January will start very nice, Leos. Very, 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 very nice. uh some completion will happen in your life. So if you're waiting for a certain judgment, like you've put up a tender somewhere, you've put up an application somewhere, your judgment will come. All right, I can't claim it will be, your application will be granted or not, but at least you will get that judgment. And most of the times we keep planning because, oh, I've applied there, then should I apply here or not, and then there is no revert back from that side, and the whole planning topbles down. So that won't happen. You will get your judgment. All right. um February, you'll have a lot of money, but still you will be dependent on others for decisions or even for money. I don't know why this card has come up. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. I don't judge people. Um, you know, uh, Sometimes you just want to live in a lot of pamperament, and I think that's why you want that. Some people might also get hereditary property or some property. Wow, awesome, Leos. So let's see what happens in February. So you will be you will be living on someone else's money, or you'll be dependent on someone else's money. But this is only for a month, okay? And do let me know in my comment box, right? What happens? March is a little burdensome. Maybe the whatever financial year end or whatever. Lot of work, lot of work, lot of work, burden. But I always say that work for yourself, not for others, so that you understand when you can take a break and what is that exactly you can do. Yeah, meditate, take a break. At least intervals in the day. Eat well. So I don't see any health problem or anything, just like a lot of work and a lot of stress that way. Right. We come to April. April, there are chances that a lot of people might switch jobs or start learning something new. So April is a time where you will start learning something new, education wise, or you will switch jobs, right? May is again a very good time for relations. Someone might enter into your life, uh, and yeah, it's good. It's a major, not like card wise, it's major, but it's showing a major energy. So, yes, let me on my AC somehow. Wow, your cards are so happening that I need my AC. All right. Yes, you will meet someone like someone who you will have a solid relation with, especially in the love part. All right, happy. So you're getting property, you're getting love. What all do you want, Leos? My God. Um, June, you will again toggle into situations. You will again be like, oh, should I do this or that, or should I choose this or that? Even in love life. So toggling in two situations might happen. The whole month will go in a certain decision making, especially love part. Okay, good for you. July, okay, so July, please consult us in July because there might be some wrong decisions making happening. You might take certain wrong decisions, especially in July. And because of you, others will also get hurt. They will affect. So please think 100 times, not even twice, 100 times before taking a decision. All right. August is good. There might be some marriage uh, or some celebration happening uh, in your life. Maybe someone else or your own, whatever. Like August, I don't see like a marriage, but I see like a merger more and some celebration, some birthday, some celebration genuinely. September, you might face a tower moment. How I'll tell you, your expectations will be risen and then they'll fall down. And do not invest in shares in September at all because you'll feel the market is going up and it will drop down. Do not invest in people emotionally with a lot of expectations. Obviously, you invest in people, we are human, but they might rise your expectations and pull you down. But that's just for September, just for a month. October, you will get a lot of emotional help in October. You will meet good friends, you will be provided good friends. In October, yes, you'll get a lot of help, advice, pamperament, especially from 40 up, uh, feminine energy. 40 up feminine energy. Even if it is a male, very nurturing energy that male would have. Wow. See, even if the cards look up and down, I just feel overall for you Leos, it shows property, it shows love, it is showing celebration. Now, what might go wrong is your perception toward all of this. When you have to take decisions, you might not. When you take decisions, they might go wrong. So, you really have to consult and you will get help. That's what I've told you. Alright, November will also be very good. A lot of success in your career in November, a lot of success, especially people who are self-employed or having business. They'll get new ideas, new opportunities, new mergers. Yes, very nice. And December is again overall good health, career, relationship, fine. Just like the card is telling me that you need to invest money in the right people, on the right funds, in the right way, and do a little charity. But I always say that charity should also be um, done where you already have your soul contract, or else you again start generating karma. And by what this I meant, you can definitely contact me because this is a very big topic. If I want to do charity, I first douse with my pendulum if should I do this charity or not. Is this charity written on my head? So there's a lot much that I have to say about charity and discounts, and we definitely can talk one-on-one about this. And anytime you need any decision making time, any charity time, any love, decision making time, please contact me or contact us or any person whom you trust because you'll be given help. So Leo is happening year 2023, mix and match. Nice, and I've already told you what is there in store for you so that you can already do something about it. So overall, you could, I think you could use a Pyra card for, I guess, prosperity and happiness. A Pyra card for prosperity and happiness. It will help you, and you could also, wear a clear quartz like a bracelet to get clarity because your decision making. You could wear this and an amethyst. So these are different shapes. It's just a wand. You get it in the bracelet anklet form also. That's your tip. Leos, I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you soon. Have a very, very nice year. Bye bye.